Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Now in this tutorial, let us look at how to convert this metric unit in length. Now take note, the basics is 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter, which implies that kilo here is just 1000. Now to convert meter to kilometer, you just have it that 1 meter equals 1 over 1000 of the kilometer. Okay, now if you understand that, I will do number 1 and I will do number C. Sorry, I will do A and C, and you drop your answer of B and D in the comment section. Now for this, now very simple, 4000 meter to kilometer. Always note that this 1000 here implies what? Kilo. Okay, so to that stand, this is 4 times your 1000 here is kilo, so this is what? 4 kilometer. Now in this case now, okay, here we'll come over here, 0.8 kilometer to meter. Okay, and we know that for us to convert from kilometer to meter, take note, your kilo here implies what? 1000, so which gives us 0.8 times 1000 meter. Okay, and 0.8 times 1000 is just very simple, just 0.8. Now how many zeros do you have here? 1, 2, 3. Just shift your decimal to the right hand side 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So you are left with what? 800 meter. Drop your answer for number B and number D in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.